Hi guys, I went to Pebble Beach and I made this sandman. I was joking, it was not snowman. So we played water. I played water with my friends, and what's the another one we did? Oh, and we took photos on beach, and we did the sandcastle together. That was very fun. Come on, guys. I'm gonna teach you how to make a snowman. Sandman. I was joking, not snowman. Hey guys, I'm gonna make a tower. I'm gonna make a frosty castle. You wanna with me? Okay. So let's just start.
What do you need this wet sand?
Because if you do it with the wet sand, it will stay. But if you do it with the dry sand, no.
Yeah, you will not be able to make a shape out of a dry sand.
Yes. I'm gonna turn myself into
Do you know what is that?
It's from underground. It's from underground. I'm gonna make a crossing road castle. See. If I finish building it, I'll play a crossing road castle. Another one.
You are actually playing into their home. You are damaging their home. That's why I was saying.
I'm making.
Uh-oh.
We need to read about it. How do you make it? I got another one. That's very heavy. Now do it again. It needs to be perfect. Make it upside down. I cannot do it. I will slow down. Can you help me? Make the castle. So next is take it out. Take it out. Oh, here. I think I don't need to build the other. Let's build the other one. Let's just build
See the dinosaur?
and it has 4 floors.
Audie, careful.
Audie! Hi, Audie. Audie, I'm making a crossy one shower. Sandcastle store. You want to come in?
iPad.
Here, a snowman.
It's a sandman, not snowman.
Sandman.